I'm going to show you how to change the O-ring in your variable aperture reducing attachment in case it ever comes off when cleaning your Risona. It's a super easy, relatively quick process. Inside your Pro Kit, you will see one of these little brown envelopes. Inside the envelope, there are a few spare O-rings. They're quite small, so be careful not to lose them. These are very, very durable, so it's actually unlikely that these are going to come off by themselves during normal use, but we provide spares just in case anything happens to them. So, let's say something's happened and the O-ring has either come off and it's stayed intact, or it's broken and we need to replace it entirely. The O-rings will sit in this groove on the Risona. So we're going to take our variable aperture reducing attachment and we're going to place our O-ring over the threaded area, just like so. Then we're going to take two fingers and then we're going to kind of just pinch and roll, and it should just snap into place. If it doesn't snap into place by itself, you can continue to roll it on. Once the O-ring is securely in place, all we have to do is reconnect the two pieces together, and you can see they are nicely aligned and snug, and you can freely spin the components. One thing to note is you want to make sure that you're putting your sleeve on the correct way. The slightly tapered area needs to be facing the threaded area. And there we go. That is how to replace the O-ring on your variable aperture reducing attachment on your Risona Pro.